In this video, I'm going to reveal 11 ways that you can make money online with no experience. Now, the great thing about these 11 methods is that you can get started today after this video, of course, and start making passive income. You can make $100 per day, $200, $300, $400. It's really up to you how much money you want to make with these methods. So watch this entire video and pick the method that works best for you. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, I'm Alston with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, let's go ahead and get right into it. 11 ways that you can make money online with no experience. Now, #1 is actually to create and sell private label rights products. Now, private label rights, also called PLR, are basically digital products that you create with the sole purpose that you're going to sell them. The cool thing with the PLR products is you create the products, you actually attach rights to it, privileges to it, and then you actually give it to a third-party site like the site you see on your screen, and they will sell it for you. Now, the cool thing when it comes to PLR rights is you can dictate what the buyer can do with this product. You can tell the buyer that they can't make any changes. You can tell them that they can only give it away, or you can tell them that they have complete rights to resell it as they see fit. Now, the cool thing with this process is it's really easy. You figure out what the market wants. You create a simple guide or software. You put it on one of these websites, and there are probably hundreds of them at this point. They'll sell it, and you'll get paid a percent. And you can sell these for as little as $5 or $10 and make money 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Now, the key is you want to make sure that you are creating content that's evergreen and you're creating content that's pretty good quality so that people keep coming back and buying from you again and again and again. #1 is creating PLR products. #2 is actually with blogging. Now, blogging is really easy. You are simply going to create a website about a topic. Now, it's important that you do keyword research, you figure out exactly what your customers want to know, and you write to solve those problems. Now, when you start a blog, you can make money with affiliate marketing, so recommending other people's products and services. You can make money with ads, running paid ads. For example, if we scroll down here on my website, alstongodbolt.com, this right here is an ad. When people see the ad, I get paid. When people click on the ad, I get paid even more. You can actually make money selling your own digital or physical products. You can make money with guest posting. There are a number of ways to make money with a simple blog. Now, again, you want to make sure that you are creating content about what people care about and not what you want to tell them. The easiest way to do keyword research is to use a paid tool like Ahrefs. But you can do it the old school way of just going through Google and simply type in keywords or keyword phrases. After creating a blog is affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is simply recommending other people's products and services. When people click on your affiliate link and buy the product, you get paid a commission. The reason why I separated affiliate marketing out into its own thing is because you can do it in a number of ways. You could start a Facebook group, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. There are a number of ways to make money as an affiliate. You can run paid ads. You can start with free. There is a ton of opportunity. And the great thing with affiliate marketing is everything's a niche. You could create a Facebook group about refrigerators or home appliances or really anything that you're interested in. There are going to be a group of people that are interested too, and that's going to be your target audience where you could potentially make passive income recommending products and services. So affiliate marketing is a very good opportunity. The next way is actually with YouTube. Now, with YouTube, there is an incredible opportunity. It's a little less congested than blogging, and there's still a lot of opportunity in just about anything. Just yesterday, I created a video about drawing. As you saw in that video, there were millions of views happening on simple drawing video. So if I type in drawing just one more time, just to show you that there is a lot of opportunity, this top result here, 1.5 million views from just 6 months ago. And when you create a YouTube channel, you can make money a number of ways. You can get paid sponsors. So the drawing video could be sponsored by stencils. You can add affiliate links to the descriptions of your videos. You can get paid by selling your own physical digital products. Basically, everything that applies to blogging also applies to YouTube, but YouTube is a great opportunity and you can find success in half the time that it would take you with blogging. So YouTube is a very good opportunity. The next way is actually creating and selling your own digital products. The reason why I like creating and selling digital products is simply that it's almost all profit. The only thing that you have to pay obviously are taxes and the merchant fee, so like Stripe or PayPal, but you can create your own digital product in just about anything. For example, if you want to create a digital product in makeup tutorials, you could do that. You could do an MP3, you can do a video training like a course, you can write an ebook, you can do a checklist, a guide. There's a lot of opportunity, and just like with YouTube and blogging, everything's a niche. So if you want to create a simple step-by-step guide on how to build a refrigerator, you could do that and sell it and make money. The other reason why I like creating and selling digital products is because I get access to customer information. For example, I get access to names and email addresses, and then I can do other things like sell affiliate products or recommend that they watch a YouTube video. Selling digital products is a very good opportunity. And if you want to learn more about selling digital products, go to the 10daybusinessblueprint.com to learn how to create and sell your first digital product in 10 days. After selling digital products is being a freelance writer. I think this is a very good opportunity. And if you are decent at writing, you can make a lot of money, because one of the things that it's evergreen that everybody needs is a good copywriter, a resume writer, a blogger. As you can see here, I'm on a website called People Per Hour. This person here, it came up twice for relevancy. She has a job listing where you would pay her $300 to write an ebook. Now, this is just the starting price. It would obviously go up for there. And then as you can see, you can make money blogging as well. Now, when I say freelance writer, that's a wide umbrella that covers a lot of topic, but there's a lot of opportunity. And you don't just have to use People Per Hour. You can use Fiverr, you can use Upwork. There are a number of sites out there. And if you get big enough, you could potentially do the same thing with Facebook ads. You could run Facebook ads to people that are interested in, let's say, a freelance writer or ebook, and you can ghostwrite for them and make very, very good money. So after being a freelance writer, I also put voice actor. Now, if you have a face and voice for radio, voice acting might be a good opportunity. Now, I'm on the website acx.com, and basically this is a website where people that have an ebook, they connect with voice actors, and voice actors can get paid in a few different ways. They can either get paid a one-time fee for being a voice actor, so reading the book, or they can get paid royalties, and they would get paid over and over again anytime someone dies or downloads the audiobook. Now, the great thing with ACX or being a voice actor in general is you're literally just reading the text that's put in front of you. Obviously, you want to put some oomph on it. Being a voice actor is relatively easy because you're being handed a script and you're reading it. Another opportunity with being a voice actor is a lot of people are talking about YouTube automation. And one of the components of a YouTube automation is hiring a voice actor. And you can charge $15 an hour if you wanted to, simply reading scripts and making very good money. Now, after being a voice actor, another opportunity is being a transcriptionist. Now, with a transcriptionist, you're simply going to type whatever you hear and see. A lot of people use transcription services. Rev is just one of them. Now, people like me would use a transcription service to turn this YouTube video into a blog post. Other people that have major conferences or meetings, they're going to hire someone over on Rev, or they're going to use a service like Rev that's going to convert the audio from the conference into notes to give out to the participants. Transcription service is a huge business that covers a wide variety of topics, and as long as you are decent at typing, you can make very good money. Now, you don't just have to use a website like Rev. There's Transcribe Me. You can use People Per Hour, Upwork, Fiverr. There's a lot of opportunity out there. Now, with a website like Rev, you will have to pass a minimum test in order to start making money. But being a transcriptionist doesn't require any experience as long as you know how to type. After being a transcriptionist, you could create and sell online courses. Now, here I am over on Udemy, and you can actually create and sell online courses on this platform and make very, very good money. Now, the cool thing with Udemy is you don't need to have any knowledge or skills in the topic that you're teaching. You just have to have a want to learn. What you could do is you could take a course in a topic and then teach what you've learned or teach what you know. As you can see here, it is really easy to get up and running, and these courses aren't terribly long. You can start a course for as little as 1.5 hours. I recommend that the course length be at least 3 hours so people can see the value in the course. But you don't have to use Udemy. You can use Skillshare. You can actually sell the course directly yourself and charge a little bit more money. But creating online courses is a very good opportunity. What you could do is you could create a new online course every week, have 52 courses out there. Each one makes $100 per month. You have $5,200 by the end of the 52nd week, and it will all be passive. So after creating online courses, we actually have being a WordPress developer. Now, when I say WordPress developer, you are going to work with small and medium-sized businesses to figure out what type of website they want. When they tell you the type of website, for example, you're working with a dentist, they're going to tell you everything that they want on the website. They're going to give you what the information they want on the homepage, on the About Us, services, all of that stuff. You're going to go over to a website like ThemeForest and download a WordPress theme that they might be interested in. For example, if we type in dentist here, as you can see, I have that up. You type in dentist, and these are WordPress themes. Now, what you would do is you would spend the $69 or $79, download the WordPress theme to the small businesses web hosting platform. If they don't have web hosting, you can offer them something like Bluehost and get paid a commission potentially. But you are going to install this theme on top of their web hosting and then just make the changes. Now, you can make really, really good money with no experience in doing this. In fact, this is how I started making consistent money online in the very beginning. Building simple WordPress websites, I would make anywhere between $300 and $2,500 per day with these websites. And it's really, really easy. And if you don't know anything about WordPress, jump on YouTube. YouTube has all of the answers for you. You just say, how do I install a theme on Bluehost? And it'll walk you through the steps. Building WordPress websites is incredibly easy, and I recommend it if you're looking for relatively quick cash. After building WordPress websites, I have doing self-publishing with Kindle Direct Publishing. What you're going to do here is you are going to create ebooks and sell them on Amazon KDP, and Amazon will do all the work for you. As long as you're creating content about topics people care about, for example, health, wealth, relationships, and technology, people will buy the book and you will get paid. It's completely hands-off once you buy and upload the book. Now, in fact, you could actually hire someone over on People Per Hour or Fiverr or Upwork to create the book for you. You just upload it and then you make the money anytime someone buys. Let's go ahead and recap. We have selling PLR products, starting a blog, start a YouTube channel, create and sell digital products, affiliate marketing, freelance writing, voice actor, transcriptionist, sell online courses, WordPress designer, and write and sell ebooks. Now that you know 11 different ways that you can make money online with no experience, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link in the description, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click that first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.